Greetings to everyone. Today we are going to see about SI units. I am your physics professor Mrs. Y. Devakumari. Let's we move to the topic. What is SI units? SI units are the international system of unit is the modern globally accepted metric system for measurements. SI units are backbone of our measurement system, ensuring that no matter where you are in the world, measuring remains the same. Let's see the 7 base SI units. The first one is meter. The meter, symbolized by small m, is the SI unit of length. It measures distance between 2 points. Second one is the kilogram, represented by kg, is the SI unit of mass. It is fundamentals in science and commerce. Now we passes to the next unit, that is time. Time is measured in seconds. The privilege, it is symbolized by S. This privilege is used in technology, navigation and communication. Electric current is measured in amperes or capital A. That is, the flow of electric charge by free electrons measured by the number of electrons passing a point per second. It is mentioned by capital A. Likewise, the temperature is measured in kelvins, symbolized by capital K. It is based on the triple point of water, that is, providing the stable point of measurement. Another one is the mole. With the symbol of mole measures the amount of substance. It is fundamental for chemistry and material science. The last one is luminous intensity. It is measured in candelas or CD. The candela quantifies the brightness of light sources. These are the 7 base SI units, and this is the bedrock of the SI unit system. This is also called as fundamental SI units. The key features of SI unit is universality and standardization. That means it gives the consistent and comparable measurements worldwide and also used in daily life. That means everyday life, globally trade, science and technology and all the fields. Standardization, that means ensuring accuracy and consistency universally. These are the key factors of SI units. Next, we move to the fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities are the 7 already discussed about that: mass, length, time, current, temperature, amount of substance and luminance intensity, which is measured by kilogram, seconds, mole, candela. That's it. So fundamental quantities are the basic quantities for the all science and technology quantities. Next, we move to the derived quantities. Derived quantity means the quantity which is derived from fundamental quantity, so that it is called as derived quantity. One example, let's see one example. If we take velocity, velocity is defined as displacement by time. So displacement is measured by meter and time measured by seconds. Already we discussed about the meter and second. Meter is the SI unit of length and seconds is the SI unit of time. So velocity is displacement by time, so that meter per second, that means meter second power minus 1 is the SI unit of velocity. So this is called derived unit. Why we call it as derived unit means this is derived from fundamental unit, length, mass, time, etc. So that we call it as derived unit. Next, we move to the advantage of SI unit. The advantage of SI unit is a global standardization which ensures the consistency and accuracy worldwide. It gives a single unit of each physical quantity, make easier to use in science and engineering. It means a it gives a one point communication worldwide. So that this is the very big advantages of SI unit. Next, we move to the disadvantage of SI unit. Some disadvantages are there in SI units. That is, it is a high cost of converting them to potential confusion due to the cultural and historical differences, and the fact that some definitions can seem arbitrary or not inbuilt for everyday uses. For example, in countries where other systems are deeply ingrained, such as the United States facing Fahrenheit for temperature, there can be signified cultural resistance to adapting the SI unit system. So these are the disadvantages of SI unit system. As an engineer, we must know about the disadvantages as compared with advantages. So regional calculations, regional measurements, little bit disturbed by using SI units. Some another disadvantage of SI units are conversion cost and infrastructure of the measuring equipments, culture and everyday uses of customers, theoretical and practical limitations of this system are the another disadvantages of SI units. Next we move to necessary of SI units. This gives a globally acceptable equal measurement techniques, gives a providing a universal and consistent standard of measurement. SI units are used in daily life for everything from cooking and travel to commerce and healthcare. This international system of unit is necessary to ensure that our everyday measurements remain comparable and consistent worldwide. Thank you so much. I hope you all learn about SI unit. Meet you again in another one topic. Thank you so much.